Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh my God, is this free? Okay guys, I have a big box right here. Some may say big things come in small packages, but I have a good feeling about this. So it's big, you know, it's a bag, but what kind of bag? Oh, okay. Oh, here it is. Orange box. Oh my God. I will show this to you. I'll show everything. So we love the orange box. It's Hermes. You can see a little bit of the, what do you call those? I don't know what they call it. You know, you can use a blue light or a black light. You can see the holograms. There you go. You can see the holograms. I don't know what goes inside of that. Maybe it's this. Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh my God, is this free? I'll check. This is so cute. Oh, I wish I could keep it. But I don't think it's mine. So, this is the Hermes dust bag. Feels so good and yep. But more importantly, we'd like to see the actual bag. It's a guarded party in the gray color. And the color gray, I'm gonna put this as protector, is a rare color, especially in this region in the Philippines. And oh my God, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my God, it's like in very good condition. Look at those corners. You can see a little bit of use there. It's normal. After all, the color is light, so this is very well taken care of. And it's a very spacious bag. So we have here the entropy certificate. You can see there Hermes, Clemence leather. It's a square R stamp, which is 2014. Where can I find that stamp? So I'm gonna do a review of this bag. There you go. And I'm gonna keep the entropy right inside it. And there you go. I'm so surprised that the handles still stand on its own, on their own. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you, the bag finder, as always. Bye.